Ina.
Hi, Papa Jack. Happy birthday. Pila na ka? 60. Ingon man ni 60 na ka. Pero sige lang, kay age is just a number. Pero young at heart pa rin. Although I don't know what your age, maybe you're 55 but you look younger than 55. So happy birthday. I wish you good health and many more years to celebrate with the Filipino community. Thank you so much for always being there with us. Kahit anong mga problema namin, one call away ka lang. I really appreciate that one, and I hope we're gonna make you happy tonight. This is a surprise birthday party for you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Boss Jack. At naway pagpalain ko pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay at magandang kalusugan. Salamat at ikaw ay aming pamilya dito sa Zambia. Happy birthday, Papa Jack. God bless you.
Ina.
Hi, Papa Jack. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy 60th. More blessings for Peter.
Happy birthday, Boss Jack.
Ka-cute. Tapos na happy birthday. Boss Jack. Huwag ko nang babanggitin ang ano pala, ang edad. Happy birthday na lang, Boss Jack. Happy birthday lang, huwag kasama yung babae ha.
Hey!
O, ikaw.
Jack! Happy birthday!
Ang iksi naman. Ba yan?
Hi Papa Jack, happy birthday. Salamat na nakakapiramente kong may mga problema sa balay. Kung kailangan na pong itson. Happy birthday. 72 na ba?
72.
Hi everyone! This is Gemma. And this is Jay. Happy birthday, Tatay Jack!
Happy birthday, Boss Jack!
Jack, happy birthday! From Payat Boys.
Haring Jack, happy birthday. Nagkalagyo man ta pero huwag ito ka limot sa imong birthday. Sayang, wala na ko diya sa Zambia. Enjoy your birthday tomorrow.
Hi Berdan. Long time no see. Anyway, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat mo diha and enjoy your birthday celebration. Hope to see you soon someday. Ingat everybody. Bye-bye.
Ingat daw ni mo dia, pre. Musta na ka dia, pre. Happy birthday di mo dia, pre. Amping kanunay diha. Kapila na ni mong edad dun, pre. Mura nagkabata na mga karon. Kami rin nakatiguang na. Wa na ngipon. Amping dia, pre. God bless.
All good day. Basta, amping dia pa rin.
Happy birthday, Sir Jack! 56th birthday. Wala naman dito naglagyo atong edad, no? I remember those years na nagkuyog ta dito sa Stayag. I remember you as a person who is so cool. Cool kaayo. In fact, I'm so grateful ato nga time na I was the only woman or the only lady in the field aside nila ni Ma'am Tayan, but the regular mainstay is ako ra gyud to, and I am surrounded with men, and I am thankful ato nga opportunities because I've met kanang mga gentlemen. I remember katong dito ta sa what was it, an apartment dito ta sa atohang pad nga gipuy-an. Mura gid kag akong kuya ato, no, we're so protecting, and wala gid ko na feel nga kanang kabastusan from men, you know, very respectful, and I have high regards sa imuha Sir Jack, and I'm happy nga we maintain communication with each other. And pila na gito katuig, Sir Jack. It's been more than a decades, no? I think 20 years ago, 15 to 20 years ago, more inana. I was very young then. And we are still young. Anyway, I hope to see you soon. Magkita-aita. Let's get together sometimes kung makauli ka diri sa Pilipinas and visit me in Cagayan de Oro together with nila ni Isda. Hindi ko kalimot sa inyong tinawagan Isda. Kinsa itong taga Surigao, and also si Don Don. And I really like the group. And it was a great experience working with you. Anyway, si Sir Jack is our electrical engineer atong project with Stayed. He's really good. Maayog good kaayo siya professionalism. In fact, sa iya ko nakabalo that dili nimo hipusod diretso ang imuhang wire kay madaot ang mismo ang wire kay mulukuton after using it, which is tama din, no? Kay init baya siya, so imong lukot-lukuton. I hope nakasabot ang mga kauban mo, Sir Jack, kadaghan sa Bisaya din, ha. I wish you good health lang yun. I know God has blessed you a lot, blessed you with the job that you have, and blessed you with your family. But I only wish you good health. More good na siya. Kaya when you have good health, it really makes you enjoy life more. Happy birthday! And take care mo diha sa Zambia.
Happy birthday dito. Amping mo na always.
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you so much for everything. And amping na for me. Kag-amping ang sad ko. Nalambok ko. And gatawang sa kong eskwela. So, mo na siya. We love you so much. Bye! Bye, sad, uy!
Hi! Hello everyone sa Taga-Africa. Ako din ang pinaka-gwapa nga pagumangkon ni Uncle Berdan. Happy birthday, Col! Si Uncle di ay ang usa sa pinaka-the best nga uncle. Kaya syempre, nabi si Papaot. The best ba sa ito. So, one of the best. Okay. Siya ang ikaduha sa mo nga papa. Siya mong madaganan. Labi na financially. So, seriously, salamat kayo sa tanan, Col. Sukad pa sa una, hantod karon. Salamat kayo. Then, wish you all the best in life. Successful ka, permi diha sa Africa. Then, good health. Pinaka number one, good health. Then, enjoy your birthday, Col. Enjoy with, syempre, na si Saddam diha, na pa si Shanine. So, mas enjoy good karon nga birthday nimo. So, mara na, Col. Happy birthday. Amping mo tanan diha. Mua, mua, mua.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Brad! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Good Alfredo Jerusalem! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Good Alfredo Jerusalem! Amping mo diya!
Kumusta? Happy birthday. Ang hinaot ng anak kanunay sa mga panglawas. Silikay ka sa mga balakian, mga sakit sa kalawasan. ipahilayo ka sa mga panulay o mga disgrasya. Kung nauto na mo dan, nga daghan ka nga mga katuigan nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi. Among mensahe di thank you nino Pabing ug nitya ni Molita. Usbo na mo dan, happy birthday.
Hi, Cole! Happy birthday! Amping mo dia, Fermi. God bless!
God, Rodrigo!
Happy birthday!
Ako sa live!